Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the V unit versus the Beyond Pro. Guys, I'm comparing both and I did spend my money on both, so granted, shouldn't I? So I'm letting you know which one is the best pick for you. Stay tuned guys, you don't want to miss this. Okay guys, let's jump right into costs. The Beyond Pro will set you back $349, while the V unit a whopping $375. They both have 1-year warranties. They both go 35,000 RPMs, and they both have brushless motors. They advertise themselves as having no vibration, low heat, and quietness. But what sets these two apart? Well, the Kiara Sky does have a lot more to offer as far as what you get in the package versus the V unit, where you get the carrying holster. The Kiara Sky, you get 10-hour battery life. V unit, you get 10 plus hours of battery life. The color options, well, the Kiara Sky, you get a lot more to choose from versus the V unit, you only get one color option. But guys, let's put them to the test. What's up here? So you guys know I gotta keep it real with you. Both of these portable hand units are really good, guys. Don't get it twisted. Like, they both are good quality. But there was one thing that I noticed that kind of put one over the other, and that's when I removed the acrylic. It was like the V unit just removed it smooth like butter, and even my daughter said that she thought it felt better on her hand as far as vibration, even though they both have low vibration. I mean, but the color options you get with the Kiara Sky Beyond Pro unit, I mean, guys, it's really all up to what you like in the end. And by the way, if anybody has both of these or tried out both, let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit that like button and that notification bell so you can be updated on any videos that I upload. And guys, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and until then, have a blessed day. Bye.